I have got Ryan Campbell from Youlend, Senior Business Development Manager over there. He's going to talk to us about their revenue financing. Ryan, are you ready to go?
Yes, ready to go.
Ryan, tell us a little bit about Youlend and who your ideal customers are.
So Youlend, we're a revenue-based finance company. We work with a lot of different partners out there. Effectively, we're just trying to provide funding for SMEs, primarily in the UK. We have a wide range of clients from well-established businesses who could get funding from their traditional banks, but we also service clients that may be overlooked from a high street lender. We like to cast a nice wide net so we can help as many businesses as possible. How we do that is we're a very data-driven company. We'll look back over their bank statements, seeing how much card sales they have coming in each month. When I say card sales, this can be an online gateway, the likes of Stripe. It could be a physical terminal in a shop. It could be Uber Eats, Just Eat. Effectively, if their customer is using their card to make a payment, we can look at that revenue stream for the SME, assess how much they're doing each month, and then provide them funding in which they then repay as a percentage of those future card sales. So there's no direct out of pocket as such. We will just take a percentage, then the remaining card sales flow through to that business owner's bank.
Great. So if I'm selling, let's say online, I've got card sales, you'll give me up to a percentage of those card sales as effectively like a loan.
Yeah.
And then I'll repay that and you'll take the money straight out of my account to make the repayments really easy for me.
All automated, which is very helpful. So there's no sums to be done at the end of the week or anything like that. We take our repayment percentage as and when the business owner is getting their payment from the relevant payment processor, automatically take that percentage, the remaining funds through to the customer.
And unlike some other capital or loans that might be out there, it's a fixed fee.
Exactly. Yeah. So in the current world, there's a bit of uncertainty about where rates are moving and everything. One of the great things about our product is that it's a fixed fee. So our customers know exactly what that funding is costing them upfront when they're signing the contract. Whether they repay that loan in 4 months or 9 months, they know that fixed fee is the amount that they will be repaying.
Revenue financing is a fairly new idea to many people. Why do you find that businesses come and sign up?
It is fairly new. Like we've been trading in the UK since 2018. We have now funded over 50,000 businesses in the UK. So we know that the appetite is there, and that's why we're actually currently looking to expand to other territories as well. In terms of someone reaching out for funding, one of the benefits is that we don't necessarily need to ask what the funding is being used for. So we may have a business that requires funding to pay their VAT bill. They may want to do marketing, putting on staff, expansion, any business-related purpose they can use Youlend's funding for.
And I know that you don't just do an initial month or year worth of funding, that actually your customers come and renew those opportunities with you. So why do people stick with you if they've just done something for a VAT purpose?
Yeah. So we find once we have a relationship with a customer, when they take out that initial loan, they're given access to a portal so they can track all their payments, everything live in real time. When it comes to the renewal process, so often we'll have clients reach out to us, and if they've repaid at least 50 to 60% of that original advance, we can look at providing them further funding. Part of the reason they'll use us again is because the relationship is already there, but when it comes to the renewals, we can provide the funding within 24 hours. So it's a fantastic option for the speed of everything. They know the product. So we may have historically been taking, say, 10% of their card sales. They come back for the renewal. We provide them funding within 24 hours, and we remain taking 10% of their card sales. So the day-to-day running of their business hasn't changed. They've got access to that funding, again, with the fixed fee, so they can calculate everything they need to and go and expand their business or hire new staff, whatever it is they're looking to do.
If you wanted to leave people with just one thing about Youlend, what would you say? What would you tell them?
One of the key things about Youlend is that we're here to help SMEs in the UK. We know, especially in the current climate, other lenders are tightening up their appetite. We take a very data-driven approach. We let the data tell the story. We're not asking for business plans or anything like that. We can use these bank statements, go through there, determine what is a safe amount to lend out. The key takeaway is that we're here to do business. We approve 90% of what we see in terms of coming through as a lead to our business.
Great. Ryan Campbell over at Youlend. Thank you very much.
Thanks very much, Nick. Cheers.